Sustainability in Style, the podcast where we dive into the stories behind responsible businesses that are reshaping industries for a better tomorrow. I am your host Muntaha Tabassum, and today we are heading to the heart of Bangladesh's booming garment industry. We are exploring how one major player is weaving sustainability into every stage. Ha-Meem Group. This company isn't just making jeans and jackets, they are making them responsibly. Let's start with who they are. Ha-Meem Group is one of Bangladesh's largest and most respected ready-made garments manufacturers. You might not recognize their name on a label, but you have almost certainly worn their clothes. They manufacture for giants like H&M, Zara, and C&M. With over 50,000 employees and a sprawling network of factories, Ha-Meem is a true industry powerhouse. But here is what sets them apart: their commitment to sustainability. In an industry often criticized for pollution and labor practices, Ha-Meem is carving out a different path. Let's dive into their environmental efforts, because this is where it gets impressive. You may not know this, but dyeing and washing process in garment factories release massive amount of water, often full of chemicals and dyes, and many factories just dump it. But Ha-Meem uses in-house effluent treatment plants or ETPs to clean this water before releasing it. They remove harmful contaminants, making sure rivers and soil are not polluted. Some of the treated water, it's reused, conserving precious source in a region where water scarcity is a serious concern. Now let's talk power. Some Ha-Meem factories are using solar panels to generate clean electricity. It helps reduce their carbon emissions and lower reliance on fossil fuels, a win for both business and the environment. It's not a complete shift to renewables just yet, but it's a meaningful step forward. Then there is the issue of fabric waste. In a typical factory, carts of and scraps pile up literally tons each year. Ha-Meem's approach: they recycle those leftovers. Some are reused in new garments, and others are sold to recyclers or repurposed into different products. Even the water from washing process is reused, and chemicals are reused whenever it's possible. And it's not just what happens inside the factory, it's the buildings themselves. New Ha-Meem facilities are being designed with green architecture principles, like large windows, natural lights, better ventilation, and energy efficient systems. They are saving power, improving working conditions, and shrinking their footprints, one smart design at a time. Sustainability is not just about carbon footprints and clean water, right? It's also about people. Ha-Meem takes their social responsibilities seriously. Workers receive fair wages and are given regular fire and safety training. Their factories meet and often exceed local safety standards. That's a big deal in an industry still recovering from tragedies like Rana Plaza. For working mothers, Ha-Meem provide on-site daycare facilities so children are closed by unsafe hands. They also run medical centers in each factory, ensuring healthcare is always accessible, not just for emergencies but for everyday well-being. And for those just starting out, Ha-Meem offers skill development programs with a special focus on women and entry-level workers. These programs build not just technical knowledge, but confidence, independence, and career growth. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Ha-Meem acted quickly, providing protective gear, ensuring factory sanitization, and adjusting shift to minimize contact. They didn't just stay open, they stayed safe. Of course, no story of sustainability is without its challenges, right? For one, eco-friendly materials cost more. Organic cotton, recycled fabrics, they are more expensive to source and harder to scale. And at the same time, international brand demand faster delivery and lower prices, squeezing margins even further. And yet Ha-Meem is still investing in eco-friendly machines, solar power, and workers' educations. They know the future belongs to the responsible manufacturers, and they are training their teams to lead their future. So what can we take away from all of this? Ha-Meem Group is providing that large-scale garment manufacturing can be done ethically and sustainably. They show that caring for the planet and the people behind the products is not just the right thing, it's the smart thing. Their journey is far from over, but it's a journey worth watching and one that could inspire real changes across the global fashion industry. Thanks for tuning into Sustainability in Style. If today's story inspired you, consider sharing it, leaving a review, or subscribe for more episodes on responsible business. Until next time, stay curious, stay conscious, and remember, every thread has a story. Let's make it a good one.